Good morning. We're in Phenix City at a home that I have listed. Brick home, nice neighborhood. Neighborhood's well kept. The house is well kept. Good place to live. Convenient to everything in the Phenix City area. It's the type of neighborhood that people like to live in. They feel safe and they feel comfortable, and they have good neighbors around them. This house has been upgraded quite a bit. It's got a new roof, new windows, the new concrete. The yard's been updated. Everything about this house is in good shape and it's ready to go. Be a good place for you and your family. Let's go in and I'll show you around. I'm over here in Phenix City. Kind of want to show you a house that we've got listed. It's a brick house. It's got a new roof, new windows. It's well taken care of throughout. They've just done a really good job of fixing this house. And so the bathrooms are really cute. The bedrooms are nice. Everything in this house is just feels very warm and homey. The subdivision's kind of the same way. It's got a good feel to it. The close to almost everything. All the shopping over here in Phenix City is just close by. Where it's just perfect area to raise your family. I think the school system over here is good. Good area for schools. Good area for neighbors and home. So your family will be in a good location. Wanted to show you around the house. It's a 3-bedroom house. You got, um, like I said, both bathrooms are really well done, cute. It's got a bonus room that's big and can be used for a lot of things. It could be used as a shop, or it could be used as a man room or a she shed or whatever you would like for it to be. Very, very well done house. Good level lot. I noticed they got a grill outside, so they like to grill like I do. So it's just a good family oriented home for somebody, and I think it might be good for your family. This is Team Long.